Good morning, viewers. We are from Trust TV Channel. Today on Friday, September 3, 2024, have a gathering with us in World News Headlines of CNN, which will provide you the real news which is taken factually from the first, either from national or international. I am Janita Kaila Putri Lumala and my partner.
I'm Amila Rahmaningsi.
I'm going to accompany you for 3 minutes in this beautiful sunny morning with the first news which comes from Jakarta, Indonesia. It is about a New York man that will on a solo trip to Colombia. It took his quivering motor 5 months to learn what happened. Alright, here's the news. Omar Watson, a 31 years old New Yorker, promised his mother Hyacinth that he would keep in touch during his solo trip to Bogota, Colombia in late February. For 3 days, he sent updates, but on the fortnight, he stopped. On February 29, Watson was found dead in the bedroom of his Airbnb, with his passport but missing his phone, iPad, and wallet. This began his mother's first month struggle to uncover the truth about her son's death. Omar, an avid traveler and online entrepreneur, had visited several countries and planned to visit Portugal after Colombia. Despite warnings from the U.S. Embassy about safety risks in Colombia, including reports of drugging tourists, Omar reassured his mother during their last conversation, although he had mentioned some health issues. After 2 days of silence, Yasin contacted the U.S. Embassy, who informed her of Omar's death on March 1. The language barrier and bureaucratic challenge made the process of retrieving his remains and understanding what happened more difficult. Initial reports detailed that he was found in a kneeling position in the bedroom with some over-the-counter medication nearby. In August, the autopsy report confirmed that Omar died from a pulmonary embolus caused by deep vein thrombosis, ruling his death as natural with no sign of violence. However, the arrival of his suitcase, containing women's clothing along with his belongings, raised more unanswered questions for his grieving mother. Okay, viewers, don't go anywhere because we still have another interesting news about Bayesiania Captain Fest manslaughter probe after deadly sinking in Sicily. After this following advertisement, stay tuned.
Welcome back with me, Amila, and my partner.
Janita,
In World News Headlines of CNN, I'm going to read the second news about Valenciana's captain faced manslaughter right after deadly sinking in Sicily. The captain of the luxurious Valencia, James Goldflight, is under investigation for manslaughter and negligent shipwork after the failure of the Jewels of Sicily during a severe storm, killing 6 passengers. Among the victims were British Deacon Mike Linsley, he's 19 years old, Morgan Stanley, Director Jonathan Blomer, prominent lawyer Chris Morvillo, and the, the yacht's chef Ricardo Thomas um, is also codified and 14 others, including Leslie, wife Angela Bacares, survived the tragedy. A waterfall, a type of tornado, is believed to have capsized the 15 6-meter yachts, but Italian authorities are investigating whether the crew handling contributed to the rapid sinking. Most victims were likely asleep during the storm. Witnesses might explain their inability to escape. 5 bodies were found in one room, possibly shaking an art pocket. Catflight, New Zealand, is not in custody but but cannot leave Italia while the investigation continues. Pros- procedure, uh, Procedure are prodding whether any were left open and if the ship had a black box. As this factor could explain how quickly it sank. Effort will rise the yacht for the investigation. Para Bakaris Company, which owns the Bayesian, is responsible for the cost of raising the funds. Italian authorities will examine the ship owns is the recovery to determine if any negligence played a role in the disaster. Well, viewers, that's all the news for today. If you need to view the lines world news headlines, please visit our website cnn.com. And for the wish word today is do the best and always think to be the best. Finally, I'm Amila and my partner
Janita,
and all crew of World CNN headlines of CNN. Retreat, we would like to say
see you next time. Thanks for watching our program. See you in Anchor in our lovely Thanks TV channel, the Indonesia Large News Net. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.